Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to use the YouTube feed plugin for WordPress. This powerful tool allows you to display your YouTube videos, playlists, or an entire YouTube channel directly on your website, keeping your visitors engaged and boosting your video views. If you want to integrate your YouTube content seamlessly into your WordPress site, this tutorial is for you. We'll cover the steps for installing, configuring, and customizing the YouTube feed plugin. Let's dive in. First, let's install the YouTube feed plugin. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New. In the search bar, type YouTube feed, and look for the plugin by Smash Balloon. Click Install Now, and once the installation is complete, click Activate. With the plugin installed and activated, we're ready to configure it to display your YouTube content. To add a new YouTube channel feed or videos, go to YouTube Feed in the WordPress dashboard and click on the All Feeds menu option. From this page, you will be able to add a new YouTube channel feed by clicking the Add New button. You'll then be taken to the Create a YouTube Feed page where you will be presented with a variety of feed display options. By default, the channel feed option is already selected. The remaining options are only available when using the Pro version of the YouTube feed plugin. Once a selection is made, click the Next button. You will then be taken to the Add a Source page. In the source field, add the channel ID or username. Enter any channel ID or username to display all of an account's latest videos starting with the most recently published. Once this information is entered, click the Next button to continue. The YouTube feed plugin allows you to customize the appearance of your feed to match your website's branding. Go to the Customize tab to adjust the colors, fonts, and other style settings. For example, you can customize the video title header by clicking the Header menu option. You can customize the Load More and the Subscribe buttons as well. These customization options help create a seamless integration with your website. For this tutorial, we will be using the Elementor page builder to add the YouTube feed. To add the YouTube feed to your site, go to any page or post where you want to display the feed. Click Edit with Elementor. Once inside the Elementor page builder, add a new section, then locate the YouTube feed widget in the widget menu. Drag the YouTube feed widget into the section and select the YouTube feed you wish to display from the drop-down menu. Customize the widget by clicking the Advanced settings in the widget. Here, you can change the layout settings, background settings, border settings, and more to meet the design requirements of your website. Once you are satisfied with the customizations, click Publish to publish your page. Preview the page to see how the feed looks. You can make any necessary adjustments by going back to the plugin settings. After embedding the feed, make any final adjustments to ensure it displays correctly on all devices. Check the feed's responsiveness on mobile, tablet, and desktop views. And that's it. You've successfully installed, configured, and customized the YouTube feed plugin for WordPress and Elementor. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Leave any questions or comments in the comments section below. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.